Hello there and welcome to my art table. In this mini masterclass, I'm going to show you how to create a background to start your painting. So most paintings that are professional level or higher level aren't just paint on canvas. They have developed from underneath. And if you really kind of reverse engineer most artists' paintings, you're going to tend to see a lot of background depth, and that's what creates that depth in a painting. And so starting with a background is always a very good idea, unless you want a very simple minimalist look, and then perhaps you just want a very plain background. But if you're doing something like a neutral landscape or an abstract, you're going to want to usually create a nice background, and a background is also going to give you a beautiful surface for your painting. So this is primed. This is just a canvas board primed with some titanium white. And a little tip is, if you're using these tubes of paint, whether professional or the student grade, whatever, if it's not coming out this end, cut the end off your tube and you can dip your brush, your palette knife, whatever in there, scoop it out and use it, and then store it in a plastic bag with a damp paper towel, and you're going to literally get many more uses out of your tube paints by doing that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a bit of a warm background on this painting, and this is just going to give me depth. These are not necessarily all going to be colors I use in the top layers. I've got a sort of a bronzy brown here and a deep gold. This is called bronze yellow. So these go together, obviously. They're very coordinating. I'm going to use a sponge, a little bit of water. This is where it's perfectly fine to use a little bit of water on your canvas, very little. And I'm going to kind of just put this in by dabbing this through my background. I don't want to cover maybe the whole thing. I want bits of white. But this is going to give me a depth. Now, looking at this right now, this is not anything that I would go forward with as far as painting, but as a background, if you let this dry, and then we're going to build another layer on top of it, another layer, and that is how most professional level and higher level paintings generally come to life. Not all, but many. So the beauty of layering is something that you can really learn, and it does take longer to develop a good painting than just knocking it out in an afternoon, which is something again you can do with a different style. But when you're creating a layered painting like this, you want to first prep your canvas and then put your base colors down. So I'm softening these with the other side of the sponge, which has no paint on it. Just kind of lightly wiping through here. I don't want to blend these colors. I want a little bit of variation, so I'm leaving it. But I am leaving a little white space as well in certain areas. I'm going to let this dry, and we'll come back and we'll build upon it. Hi there and welcome back. We are going to go ahead and work on this painting that we've created the background for. I'm using some Liquitex Basics titanium white, laying it right down on my palette, or you could lay it right down on your painting. I'm going to go ahead and lay down a nice coat of this. I want it to have a little bit of texture here and there, but I'm also going to smooth it out with a brush in some areas because I do want to retain that background that we put down and not cover it completely. So this is just sort of an organic type of painting. There we go. So I've got my background coming through. I've got some nice white down on top of that. I think what I'm going to do is remove a little bit of it here and there with some paper towel. This is just dry paper towel. And just in a couple spots, I'm going to dab just a little bit out. Again, back and forth, replace, remove, until you get the effect you want. Sometimes it's a process of application and removal. All right, so that is where I'm at with this right now. You can see some background coming through. You can see there's quite a bit of white on some of these areas. I am going to come through and lay down a little bit of a landscape look on this once it dries with some metallics.